What's up guys? Today I'm gonna take this quiver right here that's made for a compound bow and I'm gonna try to fit it onto a traditional bow by cutting it up, and well, you'll just have to wait and see. So here's my idea. I'm gonna cut these ends off because they need to be separated so that it can go on either end of my traditional bow. So what I need is it to be able to latch on, be sturdy, but it needs to be able to flex with the limb so that it doesn't affect the shot of the bow. So the difficulty is to be able to get this mounted on the bow with making it completely silent when I shoot, and also completely silent, you know, just rattling around, walking around with it. So that's the goal, but that's also the difficulty because this right here is, you know, it's hard plastic, and so that against wood's not gonna be good. So I think I'm gonna need to provide some kind of cushion, and then I'm gonna try to, I think I have something that'll work. I'm gonna try to provide some kind of cushion, and then I'm gonna see if I can drill some holes and strap it on there so that it'll work. Because this right here is gonna need a mount on there somewhere. I'm thinking it's got that little lip on it. I think I can cut a groove. No, I'll probably just cut that off. I just got it. I think I just got the idea right here. Okay, so this is like foam. I actually think it's from like, what is it used for? A yoga square sort of thing? Yeah, I don't know, my wife would know, but got it for random projects. Point is, I think I can, not this full amount, but what if I mount some of it onto there, cut part of the notch of where the bow goes in it, and then I'll run some of these big gear ties through the back where I have a hole drilled, and so the gear ties will hold the foam in, and it'll also tie to the bow. It'll come clear here in a second, so hope you enjoy this. This is how it turned out. It turned out actually a lot better than I thought it would. Here, I got the microphone really loud. Listen. Completely quiet, and I think that's awesome. I'll probably take it off in the tree stand quite often, but in the case I see one on the ground, I want to be able to shoot. Got the foam sitting in between the hard plastic and the bow, and that keeps it silent. The other thing I did is I super glued the foam down, and then on this side, I've got gear ties. These just allow me to twist it on and twist it off. And I got the exact same thing over here on this side. Gear ties, foam. Lugging around the thing of arrows beforehand was not fun at all, and I had to just throw it in the pack, and it was dangling and getting in the way, and I dropped my bow out of the tree stand and blah blah blah. But if you want to see the videos of me hunting, I'm gonna post those really soon, and there's been some exciting things. So stay around. Thanks for joining me on this homemade quiver thing. I think this is a $15 quiver from Walmart, and you know, traditional archery quivers are somewhere about $100. So with that, the gear ties, it looks a little jank. I'm gonna paint it, but I'll finish it. You don't gotta worry about that. But thank you for joining me. See you guys on the next one.